Once again, Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra buyers were let down when they learned that the top powerhouse still comes with the same 5000 mAh battery. This has been the case with every version of the Galaxy S Ultra for years, and many fans are getting tired of this never-ending cycle. But there is finally a glimmer of hope. Samsung is allegedly thinking about taking the S Pen silo off as a bold way to get the battery moving again. The company could get back valuable room inside by doing this. There is finally room to supercharge the Ultra with a bigger, stronger battery. Last month, a famous leaker made people very excited by spreading a rumor that the Galaxy S26 Ultra might have a variable aperture main camera, which could get rid of the need for a second telephoto lens. With this design change alone, a stacked 5500 mAh battery could be possible. But when the S Pen is moved and cutting-edge silicon carbon battery technology is used, it makes it possible. The Galaxy S26 Ultra could have a huge 7000 mAh battery. Imagine that, an Ultra that really lives up to its name, even bigger than the 8000 mAh giants that are said to be coming soon from Chinese rivals. Now you might be thinking where the beloved S Pen will go if Samsung gets rid of the built-in silo. One smart idea could be to use the same magnetic magic that Apple used on the iPad Pro. Imagine that the S Pen sticks magnetically to the flat edge of the Galaxy S26 and charges while it stays in place. It's useful and futuristic, and it keeps the pen close at hand without taking up any space inside. Panda Flash Pro, the same trusted source, also said that the Galaxy S26 Ultra won't have an under-display camera just yet. Instead, it will still have a punch hole in the front, but the bezels are getting even thinner, making the phone look sleeker and more refined than the S25 Ultra. All signs point to the Galaxy S26 series being shown off in January 2026, with a launch later that same month. The Ultra will have the powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 processor with a Galaxy-optimized application processor inside. The regular S26 models, besides those in the US, will have the Exynos 2600 processor. In China and Canada, Snapdragon will power the whole range in no time. The Galaxy S26 Ultra could finally break the battery ceiling, lose some weight, and become a real game-changer in Samsung's history of flagship phones. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.